Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of red X on folders, files, or hard drives in Windows, please understand that it is associated with OneDrive, and you will mostly encounter this on files which are associated with OneDrive. So the answer is as follows. The main solution is as follows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab, select installed apps, search for Microsoft OneDrive. I found it here. Click on the three dots associated with it. Select uninstall and uninstall once again. Okay, all files and folders which are synced are safe. They will be safe online. Yes, if something is not synced, then you better wait till it is synced. Okay, so we can uninstall it, and once it is uninstalled, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then restart your computer. And after restarting your computer, go to the Microsoft Store and search for OneDrive here. Then go to OneDrive and then click on Get. It will need a while to install OneDrive again on your system. And once it is installed on your system, you can open it again and the problem will be fixed. Now this is going to fix the problem in 90% of the cases, but if it does not, then here's what you can do. You can rebuild the icon cache, because it may also be a problem with the icon cache, that the problem may have been fixed, but it is not replicating yet. So simply copy this command line that I'm sharing in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. And then copy and paste the icon cache here. Once you do that, it will restart the Explorer and delete icon cache, rebuild it, and everything will be perfect. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.